Hey, what's up YouTube? I got my new seats in, Mustang Wide Trippers. Or Tripper. Looks amazing. Love the diamond pattern. So this is a stock seat. Goes up a little bit higher in the back. So the Wide Tripper should sit me back a little bit further, which will be cool. What you're going to need with it is this little setup here, 5/32 Allen, and I think this goes kind of like this little black thing, goes like right there, so no scratch your frame, or your fender, I should say. Looks really good though. This is the rear seat, really nice. First off, I'm a low rider. Oh, I got this new thing in the other day. Pretty cool. I got brass or bronze washers, kind of go with the bike. And I painted that gold. Okay. So with the lowrider S, if you're going to be putting a passenger seat on, you are going to need an extra one of these little nuts with a little clip, and it's easy to take off the old seat and then put on the new one. Basically, the plug used to be right here and your stock seat mounts right there. What I did is I took the little clip out, so this thing just slides off and then the nut drops and moves it up front. When I use this here, so what I did basically was, let's kind of do it to this one. So I put the zip tie through, holds it good, and then I just kind of inserted it up there, got it where the little nub is in this little thing, held it tight, and then put the little clip on. Super easy. And then you just grab the zip tie back out. So you want it on the rear and the front if you're installing both passenger and front seat. And I cleaned it first, by the way, so can't get on to me for that. So this little guy should kind of sit up in here like that. Just kind of wiggle until it fits. So I don't think that goes there. Trying to get this thing to fit good. In that. So yeah, you do that. You can take this little bolt. And it goes down right inside of there. And then get it tight. And then all you gotta do is just slip the front portion of the rear seat slips into the guide. And then you just bolt it to the back and you're done. So I'll do another video after I get everything done. Alright, have a good one. Bye.